Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get boarding pass on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Frontier Airlines application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier Airlines if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, in the bottom of the screen, we have the home, we have the book flight, where you can go and of course book your flight, your trips, the flight status, and more in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get boarding pass on Frontier Airlines. So, visit the Frontier Orlando website or log into your account where we are at the moment and go to your trips, of course, which is in the middle section, and enter your last name and confirmation code and select print boarding pass. So basically, when you're here, you just need to go and put the confirmation code, put the last name, and go into your ticket. So then when you're there, you can go and of course then go and print it on the website. But when you have it on the application like this, when you go and put your confirmation code and last name, then you will get your ticket, which you can of course go and use there with that. But of course, if you want to go and print it out, you can also print it out in a kiosk in the airport. And of course, at the